tips is directed towards newbies, people who are maybe looking to buy their first laundromat. You have any tips for them to get them started in the right direction?
On the laundry business, on the self-serve laundry business, I would say don't think of it as a passive investment. Okay. You can, and many do. Okay. But this is a multi-billion dollar industry. And in my opinion, you got into this because you're tired of working, for the boss. You want to be your boss,
Be your own
right?
boss.
So if you're thinking that I'm going to do this as a passive investment, I would tell you that it's probably better to buy real estate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's what I would tell you. But from that perspective, I would say, be a sponge, talk to people. I will say that people here are super duper friendly. They're open to talk about almost, at least I am. And it seems like you are as well, to talk about really anything because, we all know how to make hamburgers, right? But the good chefs, the good barbecue pit masters, they know exactly how much salt, exactly how much pepper, how much, I don't know, how long to grill it on each side and so on and so forth, right? So, you may take a whole handful and I might take 2 handfuls, but the guy who knows it's 2 pinches, not the whole thing, right? So I would say the same in the laundry business. There's lots of competition. Nobody is your customer. Okay, you don't own any customer. You can think you own a customer, but at the end of the day, with all the email lists, all the text message lists, all these different ways of finding people on lists, they'll end up on a list. No ifs, ands, or doubts about it. So what I would tell you is, be there, focus on that, grow your business from that perspective, work hard, be honest, okay? And if you can do it full time from the beginning, not much better because you'll see that improvement. And you're risking a nice chunk of change at the end of the day. So understand that time is money also.